Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weeklytools channel. Are you tired of taking your car to the mechanic for every little check engine light? Do you want to take control of your car's health and diagnose problems yourself? Then the ANCEL FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner might be the perfect tool for you. In this video, we'll do a deep dive into the FX4000, exploring its features, functionalities, and how it can empower you to become your own car doctor. So, let's get started. The ANCEL FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner is a powerful and versatile tool for anyone who wants to take charge of their car's maintenance. It empowers you to diagnose problems, perform reset services, and ultimately save time and money. Let's talk about some advanced key features on ANCEL FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner. Full System Diagnostics. Unlike basic scanners that only read engine codes, the FX4000 goes beyond. It can diagnose a wide range of vehicle systems, including ABS anti-lock braking system, senior's airbag, transmission, TPM's tire pressure monitoring system, and more. This gives you a complete picture of your car's health. 3 powerful reset services. The FX4000 isn't just a diagnostic tool. It also offers 3 helpful reset functions including EPB reset, oil service reset, ABS bleeding, OBD2 functionality. Of course, the FX4000 tackles standard OBD2 diagnostics. Read and interpret engine trouble codes, view live data streams, and monitor key engine parameters to pinpoint issues quickly. Wide vehicle coverage. Worried about compatibility? The FX4000 supports a vast range of American, European, and Asian vehicles that comply with the OBD2 protocol after 1996. Plus, with lifetime free software updates, you'll always have the latest diagnostic capabilities for new car models. User-friendly design. The FX4000 features a clear and intuitive interface. A bright color display and easy-to-navigate buttons make it user-friendly, even for beginners. By owning the ANCEL FX4000, you gain several advantages. Save money, diagnose and fix minor car issues yourself, potentially avoiding expensive mechanic visits. Peace of mind. Stay informed about your car's health and proactively address problems before they become major. Confidence on the road. Knowing your car's condition gives you peace of mind during long drives or unexpected situations. Here are some pros and cons of the ANCEL FX4000's a feature-rich OBD2 scanner. Pros: wide vehicle coverage. Reads and diagnoses a wide range of fault codes. Relatively user-friendly interface. Affordable compared to some professional scanners. Reset services. Cons: limited to OBD2 compliant vehicles. Not a professional tool. Software update challenges. Limited repair guidance. Overall, the ANCEL FX4000 is a great choice for DIY car enthusiasts and weekend mechanics who want to diagnose and fix common car problems. Its user-friendly interface, wide functionality, and reset services make it a valuable tool. However, if you're a professional mechanic needing advanced diagnostics or your car isn't OBD2 compliant, you might need a more sophisticated scanner. If you're interested in learning more about the ANCEL FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner, check out the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.